working as an assistant professor in agriculture department at SNS College of Technology. As we are seeing many type of preservation and processing methods in food products and what are the byproducts in milk, what are the processing parameters and all. So in this PPT we are going to discuss about what are the hurdles generally applied in foods to prevent contamination. What hurdles is nothing but is external factors that applied in food. We are going to see it in this PPT in a very detailed way. Let's start. I'm going to explain this PPT in a detailed way. DT is nothing but design thinking. It comprises 5 stages like empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test. The first is empathy stage. So in hurdles, what are the empathy? Generally, we have that concern is like microbial growth, enzymatic activity, and chemical changes. What are the need for effective methods is like it ensures the food safety, which is the ultimate target of the end customers, and also it helps to extend the shelf life. And main objective of hurdles is to maintain the quality of our food products. So in define, I'm going to define the problem statement is here. I took the problem statement is single preservation methods often insufficient. Actually, there are various types of hurdles like pH, water activity, acidity, temperature, humidity, etc. So among that, if I take temperature alone means it gives very insufficient hurdle effect in any foods. So there is a need of a combination of multiple preservation factors. So what is a halo technology? Halo technology is nothing but it's a combined mild treatment to enhance the safety of the food products. The ultimate goal of the hurdle technology is to prevent the microbial growth and enzymatic activity and helps to increase the shelf life of foods. What are the ideas? Generally, we have like physical, chemical, biological, and combination hurdles are also that. As I already mentioned, there are several types of physical hazards like temperature, pH, water activity, recharge potential, RH. Water activity is mentioned as WA, and also chemical hurdles like preservatives, antimicrobials, antioxidants, pesticides, insecticides, etc. In biological like microbes, fermentation, probiotic, prebiotic, and bacteriaceans like combinations like synergic effects, it's the highest level of effect, and also the reduced intensity effect is also there in ideate of preservation hurdles. So in prototype is like what are the prototypes generally we can implement in this hurdle technology is like we can introduce multiple hurdles, cumulative hurdles, and synergetic action like for multiple hurdles like pH and temperature or pH and humidity. It depends upon the environmental factors, and cumulative effects like combined treatment is greater than individual effect. Synergetic action like enhanced preservation efficiency. It overall gives a smart shield to our food products. So, what is the understanding of a hurdle technology? It is a combination of preservation techniques, and there are some three principles in hurdle technology, which includes it disturbs the microbial activities, generally homeostasis, disturbs the principles of homeostasis, and it creates a hostile environment. And there's a multi-target approach is also there. The key factors, there are three key factors in hurdle technology include like combination, sequence, and intensity of hurdles in any food products. So here is the type of hurdles in food preservation like physical hurdles, chemical, biological, and combined approach. As we already seen about the heat, cold, pressure, irradiation, and ultrasound. In chemical hurdles like preservatives, salt, nitrates, pH control, antioxidants are also there. Chemical hurdles are generally working in recent days. So there is a biological hurdles include fermentation, probiotics, prebiotics, and combinative flora is also there. There at last there is a combined approach. There are various scientific research are going in combined approach like optimized combination for specific foods. So there are various types of application and benefits like benefits as the ultimate goal and objectives of a hurdle is to extend the shelf life to reduce the enzymatic activity, microbial activity. Ultimately, it increases the safety of the food products, so we can satisfy the customers, and it reduce the intensity. So it also gives a natural end product. Like we can give example HPP, high pulse intensity methods, PEF methods, pulse electric field, and also in cold plasma. Also, the recent technologies. If you are a final year students, you can also do projects in these non-thermal technologies because it has a great scope. And it here I list out some assessment questions. You can do the assessment. Let me know the answers in comment, and also you can ask the questions in comment. I will answer in a comment section. So here is a short recap and what are the applications like smart quality control, predictive analytics, automated inspection and process optimization. These are the areas generally hurdle technologies are currently used in food industry.